Every time I walk in this aisle, I want to buy everything. Every time. So, for those of you that don't know what PLASTIDIP is, it's a latex-based paint. You can spray it on your car, and let's say a couple months down the road you want to change the color, you can just peel it off and start over. It hasn't harmed my paint so far when I've peeled it off, and I've changed up different colors like 4 or 5 times now. You can tell how good I am at wrapping presents here. Prime example. Is he a right stay walker?
He's a right state.
That might be cool.
It's 10 o'clock and I'm super tired, but all this coffee that I'm drinking made me super wired. The come up getting so real, God really been blessing me. I don't get ahead of myself, but I got energy. No, I'm not a scientist, but all of this is planned out. Me and Scotty Z, that's my older brother, we drop a song a week. Yes, I turned 23 reporting live from my apartment. I'ma tour the world before I die.